Hey, Caper, more petunias.
Okay. Yeah.
Double, stench and stubble, fragrance whiff and perfume bubble. Oh, our new fruity petunia perfume is ready just in time for tomorrow's Wonderwood Aroma Fest.
Yeah.
An extravaganza that celebrates everyone's best sense organ, the nose, promoting all scents, smells, and things aroma. Our perfume is sure to win the best smell competition for the 4th straight year.
Yay!
There. Come on, let's get this home, and tomorrow we'll show everyone what smelly greatness is.
Woohoo!
Enchantimals, we're besties forever.
Achoo! Achoo! I hate colds! Achoo! Oh, well, the day of the Wonderwood Aroma Fest, and we can't smell a thing. Not a sniff. Ugh. Good thing we finished our perfume before our noses got stuffed. Hey, come on. Let's do what everyone else is doing for Aroma Fest.
These Aroma Fest hats are great. How do I look? So on the nose.
Hello, Aroma Fest goers! Are you ready to smell?
Hey, Sage. Caper. You sound funny.
We're always funny.
No, not haha funny. Weird funny.
Oh, gosh, sorry.
You two should go back to bed.
What? We're fine.
I hope everyone at Aroma Fest will love my new snow cookies. Hey! No nibbling icing bandit.
Hey, guys.
Sage, Caper, take a sniff of my latest creation. You two should go back to bed.
We're fine. We'll see you at Aroma Fest.
Now we have to make a whole new batch of snout cookies. Isn't that great? Yeah!
Why can't I figure out something smelly for Aroma Fest? I keep coming up blank. How about you?
Ta-da!
Oh, see? You've got something nosy. What's my problem?
Hey, you guys. Ready for Aroma Fest?
What?
I said, are you guys ready for Aroma Fest?
Not even close. I don't even have a whiff of an idea.
Well, maybe we can... Thanks. Achoo!
Goodness, sneezacious. You two have colds.
Achoo!
We gotta get you two to bed. Flick, we need Danessa and Sprint. Don't dig! Oh, you two really need to stay in bed and rest.
I'm all right. Honest,
You are not all right. You have a cold and need to get better.
but we have to enter our fruity petunia perfume. My perfume!
It sure smells prize-winning.
But that's all we had. We have to make more.
Whoa there, little stuffy nose. How can you make perfume if you can't even smell?
I can smell fine.
Let's play a little game. Close your eyes. First, smell this one. Now this one.
That hand, you have the cantaloupe-scented walnuts. And in the other, you have turnip-flavored eucalyptus leaves. Who's stuffy nose now?
Not even close.
Huh?
Peppermints and a lemon.
Oh, How are we gonna win the best smell competition without our new perfume?
I know. Flick and I will get everyone to help you make it. You just tell us what to do.
Yeah!
Well, first you have to...
She says she needs a mitt of heathers to stir with.
Heathers? Oh, we have some right here. Don't you love the purple?
And here's some lettuce and mustard and onions. Are you sure that's what Sage wanted?
That's what she said.
Well, seems like weird stuff to make perfume from, but she is the scent wizard.
I wish she'd wizard me an idea of something I could do for AromaFest.
Cotton balls, check. Fan, check. Hammer, check. For perfume?
Who knows the scenty mind of Sage?
Seriously? You thought I asked for this stuff? Feather? I said feather!
You wanted a feather to stir with.
Yeah?
You do kind of have a really stuffy nose.
Well, I think I've had enough things around the house to make do.
Up, Dinessa's orders. You tell me what to do, and I'll do it.
Achoo! Achoo! Just a touch of happy thoughts, then a lot of jasmine. Oh, no, not much. Oh, it's not usually this hard. Let me just give it a...
Hey, perfumers! We came to help. We brought the best smelling stuff we could find in our kitchen. Where do you want it?
Over there.
Hi, everyone. You know, we were thinking maybe Sage meant feather, not heather.
Hey, this is starting to smell good.
I'll be the judge of that.
Yeah. We brought some sweet-smelling ointment from the rescue center. That smells wonderful.
Makes my nose happy.
Now we just need a special fresh breeze enchantment to top it all off.
Oh, I don't know, Felicity. We're not supposed to use enchantments for selfish reasons.
This isn't selfish. We're helping some very sick skunks.
Achoo!
She has a point.
Let's do it!
Yes! A fresh breeze bringing spring scent. Okay, moment of whiff.
Achoo! 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 Oh, I can breathe again! It cured my cold! And it smells great, too! Try, Keeper! I can smell too! Yay! We're cured! We're cured! We're cured! Wow!
Way to go, Felicity.
I can't wait to enter this new perfume in the best smell competition. It's totally unique, and it cured our colds.
AromaFest starting! Grab your smelliest things. Last one there's a rotten nose. Let's go!
Hey, why so down? AromaFest's fun.
I still don't have anything smelly to contribute. I totally ran out of time.
Come on, who was the one who led the whole perfume making and mixing?
Me?
And without your enchantment, there'd never be this great new scent. And Caper and I would still be stuck in bed.
Huh, you're right. I did help do that.
Yeah, it's all on you. To AromaFest.
And first prize in the best smell competition goes to... what did you call that perfume?
Friends helping friends.
Friends helping friends perfume.
Because this fragrance came from friends working together.
Aw, yay!
Uh-oh, I think you all caught my cold. We're gonna need that perfume over here.
Got it.
Okay, Sprint. All set for Bestie Day? Do you have your list of bestie fun? Ooh, let's see what's on the schedule. We've got running, bounding, leaping, ooh, frolicking. And later, we'll get some ice cream and read stories. But first, we picnic. Oh no, did you hear that, Sprint? That sound can only mean one thing. Sniffles season is starting.
Oh no!
That means the clinic will soon be packed with sniffly animals.
The Bestie Day!
I hate to say it. Until sniffle season is over, all of my attention is going to have to be on animals that are sick.
Huh?
Enchantimals, we're besties forever.
I promise we'll celebrate Bestie Day once sniffle season is over. Now, what should we do first? I need to make a list. We better stock up on Feel Better ice cream.
Ice cream.
I need to make a list of everything we need and get more hospital supplies for all the sniffly creatures. Oh no! Sprint! Did you get the sniffles too?
Big time.
Let's get you snuggled up in a nice, comfy bed. Now, don't you worry. I'm going to take good care of you. I know what you need. Some Feel Better ice cream. How are you feeling, Sprint?
Sprint, Twist and I heard you weren't feeling well, so we brought you some flowers.
Aw, that is so sweet of you two.
It looks like sniffle season is starting early this year.
I know. And Sprint and I had a bestie day all planned.
Anything we can do to help out, Danessa?
Well, I am running low on Feel Better ice cream. Think you could pop over to the ice cream truck and pick some up from the penguins?
Oh, of course. Twist and I wouldn't mind. Would we, Twist? Twist? Oh, no! Twist!
She must have caught whatever Sprint has. Well, I know just what to do. You two need some rest and plenty of Feel Better ice cream. There you go. You two take it easy. I'll be back in a flash.
Sounds good as new.
Hey, Prina, Jayla. Danessa sent me for more Feel Better ice cream. Sprint and Twist both have the sniffles, so make it extra Feel Bettery if you can.
You got it.
Hey, what's with the tiny bell?
Oh, that's just to attract customers.
Does it work?
Well, you're here.
Oh, true, but I'm the only one. Your ice cream is so good, there should be a line all the way to the Babbling Brook. Tell you what, you whip me up a scoop of carrot ice cream for the road, and after I drop this off at the animal clinic, I'll come back here to give your sound system some oomph.
Oh, that sounds like a big job.
And they all lived happily ever after. The end. Oh my. We haven't read these in a long time. Oh, they're so dusty. You know, I haven't heard either of you sneeze for a while. I think all of this bed rest is making you better. Oh no, still sneezy. Well then, how about some more pillows? And more ice cream. Oh no, Caper, you two. You need Snuggles and ice cream stat.
There. I filled your truck with all kinds of noise-making whatchamajigs and tuned them to make the perfect ice cream sound. Jayla, give it a ring. Okay. Oh, that was weird. Try it again. What is that sound?
I don't know, but it doesn't really make me want to eat ice cream.
Okay, it didn't attract customers, but it did attract something, which means we're getting close. Okay, done. Hit it.
Aw, poor Danessa. She's been working so hard.
Who needs ice cream?
Danessa, you need a break. Why don't you let me keep an eye on our besties for a while?
Sage, you're so sweet. But I'm not gonna leave the besties until they're all cured.
They, look pretty cured to me.
Huh? They're not resting in there? They've been faking their sniffles.
Well, I'm marching right in there and telling them the party's over.
Hang on, I have another idea. Up and at 'em! Wake up, wake up, wake up! I was reading through my medical books and realized that you guys do not have the sniffles. You have the super sniffles.
That will be it.
Lucky for you, I read all about how to cure super sniffles. We need to get your hearts pumping. First up, let's all head outside for 90 minutes of early morning jumping jacks.
Huh?
Okay, doctor's orders. Let's jump, jump, jump. Okay, great job, you guys. Oh, I bet you're tired. Well, let's all head inside for a rest.
Hey, guys. So Danessa asked me to take away your mattresses.
The firm support is supposed to be great for super sniffles. The fan is great for cooling down your sniffle fevers.
You got them to re-roof the clinic?
Mm-hmm. I told them that the high altitude would be good for them. Okay, I know those last sniffle cures weren't exactly the most fun. But this next cure is something we know you'll love.
Who wants ice cream?
What is this?
It's Veggie Mush Ice Cream, a special blend of boiled celery and creamed corn. It'll cure your sniffles in no time.
No, please, we're fine. I'm not sick.
Nothing at all.
Wait, you're not really sick?
No.
You made it all up?
Yes.
Yeah, we know.
We know.
No, we.
Apology accepted. Achoo!
Oh no, Danessa, you got the sniffles. Well, what are you waiting for? Get down to the penguin truck and bring her some feel-better ice cream.
Okay, I think we finally got it. Give it a try, Jayla.
That's the original bell ring.
No, it's not. Listen. Yeah, that's totally the original bell ring. I'm sorry, guys. I feel like I let you down.
I need ice cream. I need ice cream.